Today I'm going to give you some ideas for Instagram Reels if you are an artist. It may seem like you have to do this like dancey, pointy thing. I know we've all seen that a million times, and while that can totally be effective, it can also be a little bit cringy and cheesy. So I want to give you a few ideas of things that you can do as an artist to create successful and money-making Instagram Reels, because isn't that the point of all of this? It's just to make more money and help you connect with your audience better so that you can sell more artwork. All right, so here are 10 new ideas for Reels that you can create as you work. First of all, behind the scenes, just show yourself painting, stitching, calligraphying, whatever it is you do. Just share a simple sped up video of you doing it. Or you could always do a close-up, slowed down version to capture that one amazing wax seal, paint stroke, or final reveal. Number 2, a day in the life. This is really simple. You capture 2 to 5 second clips of various things that you do throughout the day and then upload it in a nice montage. Number 3, unboxing or showing off your tools. Whenever you get new yarn, paints, brushes, prints, etc., show the unboxing process and talk about how you're going to use them. Viewers can really feel your excitement in these. 4, comparing different mediums and tools. So show what a painting looks like with cheaper paints versus the ones you use, for instance, or compare 2 different types of brushes. I have this one that compares a new calligraphy nib with an old one, or this one where you can see all my different wax seals, and I had people comment to say which is their favorite. Number 5 is packaging. People just love packaging videos. I don't really know why, but just film yourself packaging an order or multiple orders and speed it up. Really simple. I use an app called Slow Fast for trimming and timing clips. Number 6, show how to use your work. For instance, if you sell planters, show them in your customers' homes or what types of plants they're best for, maybe something like this you could show off. This allows the clients to put themselves into the story of your work and shows them how they would use something in their home. Number 7, tell people who you want or don't want to work with. For instance, work with me if you're ... I'm your wedding stationer if you ... My favorite clients are ... I'm not your wedding photographer if you ... These are really great reels because they help weed out the clients that you don't want and weed in, if that's a word, the clients that you do want. Number 8, progress reels. Nothing like a montage of where you started to where you are now. It's gonna make you look super talented just compared to your old self, and it'll be really inspiring for other artists as well. Number 9, answer a question. Just literally any question that people ask you. It's 15 seconds. It does not even have to be complicated. Here's one where I talked about the difference between Instagram Reels and Instagram Stories. And number 10, you could do a product reveal. This is literally just showing off your product. Move it around, move it in the light, show the close-up texture, highlight any of your best features. Again, it's just 15 seconds, so it can literally be you just moving a product around. Here's a reveal of an invitation suite that I did that was really popular. So I hope this video was helpful and gave you some ideas that are a little bit more interesting than the cheesy dancing and pointing to things on the screen. As an artist, you have such a wide range of things that you can do with Instagram Reels, and I like to remind people just to break it down. It's 15 seconds. It can be less than 15 seconds. It does not have to be this long, drawn out thing with 5 different clever points. It can just be one 15-second answering one question, making one point, showing off one product, and they can still be really effective. My favorite thing about Reels is that they are made for a new audience. So whereas your stories are made for your existing following and people who already follow your work, Reels have the ability to be found on the Explore page and on hashtags. So you're gonna get a lot of new audience coming in. So just do what you can to catch the attention of these new people who are seeing your work and might want to become customers in the future. Check out my social media playlist for a lot of other videos on Reels, Instagram, Pinterest, and all types of marketing on social media.